How to pay Citibank credit card bill. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in citi.com. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Before moving ahead, make sure that you have mobile banking or at least internet banking on your account. Now on your right hand side, you have to enter your user ID and your password and click on Sign On. Once you are logged into your Citibank account, you will be able to navigate onto Credit Cards option. Click onto that section and there you will be able to see any loan amount or any remaining amount that you should pay. You will also be given option to clear it. Click on to clear or pay, and that way this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end.